Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Japan. This is a Zenpop ramen box. Inside are 7 different varieties of instant ramen that I probably have not tried before. If you want to get one of these, go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Let's crack open this box and see what's within. Holy moly! Alright, so when you get one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to see here is one of these little Zenpop news pamphlets. And it's got little blurbs about what's in here and other things that they have to offer, so pretty cool. And something to note here, there is a QR code and a link, and when you use either or, it will bring you to their website, which has information about everything that's in the box. So don't lose this. You're going to want to use that. So I'm going to use this link and I'm going to look up what everything is and go through it all for you. All right, so this is the all Nissin products box for September 2023. And we start off with Nissin Rao Nuku Miso. And these varieties are usually quite good. I don't think this one comes with chashu. The Rao varieties that come with chashu, probably the best chashu that I've actually found in a ramen bowl before. And I think I have had this one and it's quite good. They're all really good. So yeah, cool. Next up, we've got their UFO Koi Koi Seafood Barbecue Food Yakisoba. Yeah, the UFO line, there's their mascot guy, his name is Yakisoban, and yeah, they're generally pretty good. The koi koi stuff, we'll see. I haven't tried this one. Barbecue seafood does sound good. Next up, of course, another one from Nissin. This is Nissin Men Shokunin Shoyu. And this is a really primo range. The noodle is usually very nice and chewy, and the broths are very good. So yeah, cool. And next up, we have got the Nissin no Asari Odashi ga Oishii Donbei Nikudashi Udon. And yeah, this is from the Nissin Donbei range. There's a ton of these different bowls. Some of them are good, some of them not so much. This one looks interesting. Next up, we've got a very yellow cup. This is Nissin Niniku Tonkatsu Cup Noodle. And I believe Niniku means garlic. So, a garlic tonkatsu, and it's got a thingy, a sachet on top. So, yeah, nice. Next up, we have Nissin no Tangarashimen Amakara Cheese Yangmyeon Chicken Flavor. And Yangmyeon, this sounds more Korean style. In fact, I am seeing Korean on it. So I'm guessing it's going to be like a cheese ramen? Yeah, interesting. And finally, to round out the box, we've got Nissin with their cup noodle Oishi Ramen cup noodle curry. And it's just, I guess, more of a savory curry cup noodle. Yeah, it's curry. Alright, so in this, the September 2023 Zenpop ramen box, you get curry, garlic, Korean cheese, udon, shoyu, yakisoba, rao, and your informational news pamphlet. Well, thanks as always to the folks over at zenpop.jp for sending this over. Yeah, if you want to get one of these, head on over to zenpop.jp, use that coupon code, the Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount. They mentioned that they also got a triple box. I think that's what they said. And they're going to send one of those over. So I'll have an unboxing of that soon. So stay tuned for that not long from now. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.